In this video, we will show you how China accomplished the replacement of a mega bridge in just 40 hours. How was such a feat possible? In an extraordinary achievement, engineers completed the construction of the city's latest bridge within an impressive 40-hour timeframe, effectively resolving previous traffic congestion issues. Normally, building a bridge in our area would take a month, if not a year. However, within this particular location, engineers possess the ability to achieve remarkable feats. The bridge is situated in Beijing, China, and serves as a vital thoroughfare for the bustling capital city, which boasts the largest number of World Cultural Heritage sites globally. With approximately 15,000 vehicles crossing the bridge every hour, it plays a crucial role in urban traffic flow. Any congestion or disruption along this essential route could potentially cripple Beijing's entire transportation network, which is completely unacceptable within the capital's borders. Consequently, in the event of an unexpected bridge failure, engineers are tasked with swiftly restoring normal traffic flow. The Transportation Department issued an order mandating a 48-hour deadline for the completion of the project. Surprisingly, the engineers managed to finish the job in a mere 40 hours, surpassing expectations and even astounding American experts renowned for their superior infrastructure. This accomplishment sparked instant discussions on the internet, leaving many people curious about the methods employed by the engineers. The bridge in question, known as the San Juan Bridge, has been in place since the 1980s. In October 2015, both the main girder and the bridge deck suffered significant cracks due to the bridge's long-term usage, bearing the weight of heavy vehicles. Additionally, the construction of a subway beneath the road segment connecting to the airport caused substantial damage to the already heavily burdened bridge, rendering it inaccessible within a few years. Replacing or repairing a bridge usually takes over 2 days to complete, even in industrialized nations like Western Europe. However, Beijing has a regulation that prohibits bridge replacements from exceeding 7 days. This information is likely known by those who have been to Beijing. The bridge is a vital link in the city's transportation network and serves as an important access point to the airport. Thus, replacing the bridge becomes a race against time. Failure to complete it quickly would cause significant disruptions to traffic in the country's capital, falling under the responsibility of the Transportation Department. After a thorough investigation by industry professionals, the Transportation Department committed to completing the bridge replacement within 48 hours. The engineers faced immense pressure to finish the bridge replacement job as quickly as possible and before the deadline. During their work, the construction crew encountered numerous challenges. Rebuilding the entire structure in just 40 hours seemed like an almost impossible task, considering its total area of 260,000 square meters and a length of 4.8 kilometers. However, the employees willingly worked in 24-hour shifts, including overnight, to accomplish the remarkable feat. The truck transporting the bridge had a maximum load capacity of 2,000 tons, while the weight of the old deck alone added up to 2,900 tons to the overall bridge weight. Furthermore, the bridge consisted of 7 ramps, 5 ramp approach bridges, and 3 major bridges spanning a significant distance. The main bridge followed a conventional design with a V-shaped pierced steel frame structure, and the upper main girder was designed as a T-shaped section. In contrast, the overhead approach bridge for the ramp featured prefabricated reinforced concrete wide-web T-shaped simply supported beams, and the approach pier was a double-column thin-walled pier. These characteristics differed from the main bridge, which adhered to the typical V-shaped pierced steel frame structure. This endeavor represents an exceptionally intricate construction task that China has ever encountered. For 2 days, the road segment was temporarily closed to facilitate uninterrupted construction progress. At crucial road junctions, maintenance workers and traffic authorities were stationed to redirect vehicles and inform drivers to avoid the area. The project required the involvement of 1,000 personnel, 130 significant pieces of machinery, and 50 waste disposal vehicles. During the early morning hours, a team of 1,000 engineers initiated the process of dividing the remaining bridge deck into 2 sections. Their objective was to transport these sections from the permanent pier to a temporary one using the pack beam truck. This operation took place at the original pier. An advanced machine weighing 1,000 tons made its debut during the beam replacement task. The new bridge deck, measuring 55 meters in length, 45 meters in breadth, and weighing a total of 1,300 tons, was successfully transported in one piece to its designated location. Two vehicles collaborated simultaneously, covering a distance that gradually increased from 3 to 6 meters within a minute. This procedure placed considerable strain on the engineering crew. Despite the presence of numerous bends and twists, the calibration of the beam proved to be a remarkable achievement. Recently, major cities have witnessed simultaneous comprehensive renovations and fresh constructions of substantial bridges located at crucial transportation hubs. This progress surpasses that of numerous other nations globally, enabling seamless bridge passage and restoring normal traffic conditions citywide. In later years, the film depicting the construction progress of this bridge gained widespread attention on various websites globally, and the British Daily Mail hailed it as an extraordinary endeavor. It's hard to comprehend the human capability to build a new bridge at such an astonishing speed. However, it's worth considering that the process might take longer if it were to take place in your own country. For instance, in Europe, the construction of roads and bridges has traditionally been somewhat inefficient. When numerous older bridges in the UK require beam replacements or reconstruction, the completion can often extend up to 2 years, posing significant obstacles for local travelers. Similarly, in Germany, the construction of the major train station in Stuttgart has been ongoing for 2 decades and remains unfinished, greatly affecting public transportation. In contrast, China's efficient completion of projects within tight deadlines showcases its ability to overcome challenges and achieve remarkable engineering feats. The dedicated workforce, along with stringent regulations and cultural factors, contributes to this success. The construction of a new bridge in just 40 hours demonstrates China's commitment to rapid development and infrastructure advancement. What are your thoughts on this video? Please feel free to share your comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.